Hi, I'm here at the Total Telecom Network Management Show 2014. I'm joined by Dan Pitt from the Open Networking Foundation. Dan, you've been discussing the current work that you're doing, and I understand you're one of the first organizations to have a standard for SDN.
Yes, indeed. The Open Networking Foundation is dedicated to the commercial success of SDN as a whole, but parts of it do benefit from standardization, especially in what we call the protocol between the control plane and the forwarding plane. SDN depends on separating the two, and then they have to communicate. We have a vendor-neutral standard protocol called the Openflow Protocol for communicating forwarding plane information down and statistics and data up. We do much more with SDN than just that standard, but that standard is an important foundation for a vendor-neutral approach to SDN.
And Openflow, how are you evolving it for to make commercial deployments a possibility and actually happen now?
So in two ways. One is we are making sure that it applies not just to data center networks and local area networks, but also to telecom networks in two forms, in optical transport and in wireless transport and mobility. So we are adding those features to it. And to make it deployable, we're working with the hardware switch manufacturers as well as the software vendors to make it easily implementable. We are working on implementation agreements and conformance tests and interoperability tests so that vendors know that they can claim conformance and then the buyers know what they're getting.
And here today we've got representatives from all corners of the industry. What are you hearing today?
So the struggle today is in managing all the diverse parts of a telecom network. There are many different components to it. They have different technologies, different management systems, and it's kind of chaotic. What we are helping them to do is to come up with unified management approaches to diverse subnetworks that they have. And SDN is really a tool for doing very visionary software approaches to network management that can be implemented across a variety of network element types.
And what's next for ONF? I mean, what's the potential?
So we're expanding in really three ways: in our membership and our membership types, in the technologies that we're covering to make SDN comprehensive, and in the geographical scope, because we have operators now all over the world that are driving this movement, and operators have primacy in ONF because they lead it and they govern it. We have 150 companies worldwide, and it's really just an exploding phenomenon. And the industry is looking to us to help make it commercially successful, and that is our own measure of our success, is that the successful commercial deployment of SDN for the benefit of users.
Well, it's undeniably a movement that is gathering pace, so thanks for talking to us here today.
My pleasure, Martin. It is definitely a movement.